guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from March the 18th through the 24th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I made my own stickers with my Cricut, and it's just going to be based on a really cute, whimsical, sweet girly theme, okay? And these are the paper that I've picked out. I think they're really cute to go with the stickers that I made. They just look kind of soft, delicate, old worldish kind of, but fun. And then this is the washi I'm going to be using because it looks almost just like that. And then I'm going to be using one of these big marking pens that I hauled from Sam's, and the color is Lime Sorbet, okay? So let's take my pages out of my planner. I'm so glad everybody liked my hot air balloon theme. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant one in the spread. And I believe I got this came out of a pad, and I think I got it at Michael's when they were having a sale. I'm not sure about that. But I just love how it looks. Sort of looks old worldish, but yet it could go for kind of a whimsical old world look. I guess what I'm trying to say is I think it just looks really sweet and delicate. That's probably the better way to describe it to me. And then I love this paper because it kind of looks a little old, but it kind of has a little bit of pizzazz to it. So I thought this would be perfect for the stickers that I made. I think my blades are getting dull on my paper cutter. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I just really think this is going to be cute. I love how that looks. Okay, let's go ahead and start putting our paper down. I have so much fun planning these spreads out. My brain just downloads and I have so much fun. It's very relaxing for me. I think that is just sweet. I can't wait for you to see the stickers that I made. I really do love that. It's giving the effect that I wanted, okay? So now let's start putting our washi down. I think this is gonna complement it nicely. And this washi came from Michael's a long time ago. That is so sweet. This washi is wide though. I really wish I'd had a little bit of a narrower washi that I could have used with this, but this will be fine. And I don't think that I'm going to put anything down this side because of the stripe, okay? So here are the stickers that I made. I think they are just so sweet and cute. I just love them. Okay, so let me start putting them down. This is just a little girl, and she's holding like something like she's going to plant some flowers or something like that. I just think that is so cute. So I'm going to put her right here. And then this is another girl, and she's holding flower pots, like maybe she has planted them or she's going to plant some. I just love these stickers. And then, like I said, I made these with my Cricut. And then these girls with these big eyes are so cute. Oh my goodness. I love them, and their little pigtails. I just think they're really cute. And then this one is totally adorable. With those pigtails and the butterflies, and she has a little cat and she's wearing a hat. I just think that's really cute. When I saw these, I knew I had to print them out. And then this one with her big old glasses and then that headband, that is just too funny. And then this one is just precious. That's all you can say. Absolutely precious. Okay, so I think that is really cute. All right, so what I'm also going to do is I printed out one of these blown up with the watering can, and I put it, made it larger on my Cricut. So I'm just gonna cut this about the size that I think that would be. And you can measure if you want. I'm really not going to measure. And then just kind of eyeball it. And I can always cut off more, but I can't add 2. So I'm gonna make it about this size, okay? And then I'm just gonna peel this big sticker off. I absolutely love my Cricut. Oh. If I never do anything else but make stickers, it would be worth the investment. I love it. Okay, and then that's what we have. I think that's so cute. But I'm gonna go ahead and make this bottom a little shorter. And I'm gonna make the top a little bit shorter. That is so cute. Maybe take a little bit more off this bottom. Okay, and then all I'm going to do, like I always do, I'm just gonna get my pen. And since this is gonna go here, I'm just gonna flip this over and just mark where I want to make my holes. But you can make a planner, decorate a planner so inexpensively. If you make your own stickers, whether you have a Cricut or not, you can make your own stickers. I have a video on my channel showing how I made my stickers before I got my Cricut. Or you can use Dollar Tree stickers, and I love their washi. I always say that. And then I just cut right here. I have the Big Happy Planner, so I just cut little slits here so it will fit in my planner. Now, like I've said before, they do have hole punches, you know, that will make it fit, but I don't really need to spend all that money. I can just do it like this and it goes in there nicely. Okay, and that's what we have. Okay, now let me write down just a few things that I need to do. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at it. But I think this is just such a sweet, sweet spread. I love how everything came together. I love this paper and this washi with these stickers. I think they're adorable. And then when you add this to it, it's just even prettier. I think I'm gonna just put this one right here. But you can find so many pretty stickers that you can just download. Now you have to be careful with copyright issues, but these are just for my own personal use. But I love them. I think they're so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.